Assalamu alaikum. Did you know, my dear friends, that manners for sneezing truly extends?
Alhamdulillah, yarhamukallah, yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum.
From Bukhari, this teaching so bright, so clear. So the next time you sneeze, remember this plea.